Everyone is talking about AI trading bots, tools that can trade crypto for you automatically without emotions. And OpenClaw is one of the latest names getting attention. But here's the real question. Can an AI bot actually make you money in crypto? Or is this just another illusion? Let's dive in. OpenClaw is not a crypto trading bot. It is an AI agent system designed to interact with computers like a human. That means it can click, type, navigate interfaces, and execute tasks across different platforms. Some experts, including leaders in AI infrastructure, describe this type of agent as a major step toward real-world AI automation. So why is OpenClaw associated with crypto trading? Because if an AI can control a computer, it can theoretically interact with exchanges, execute trades, and follow predefined logic. In other words, it becomes possible to turn a general-purpose AI agent into a trading system. But that does not mean it was designed specifically for trading. The timing explains the hype. AI is everywhere. Trading is stressful. And people are looking for simpler ways to make money. Search trends show increasing interest in terms like AI trading crypto and passive income bots. OpenClaw sits exactly at the intersection of those expectations, which makes it spread quickly across communities. Here is the reality the vast majority ignore. Multiple studies show that around 70 to 80% of retail traders lose money over time. Using a bot does not change that, because a bot simply executes a strategy. And if the strategy is weak, automation will only make losses faster. Automation does not fix a losing system. AI sounds powerful, but it has clear limitations today. Models like ChatGPT or Claude are not directly connected to live markets without custom setups. They can generate errors, and they are not designed for real-time trading execution. So while AI can assist analysis, it does not automatically create a trading edge by itself. Many trading strategies look impressive in backtests, but backtesting often creates misleading results. Strategies can be over-optimized to pass data. They ignore real conditions like fees, slippage, and latency. This is why many systems that appear profitable in theory fail once deployed in real market environments with actual capital. Trading bots are not useless, but their role is often misunderstood. They are effective for discipline and execution. For example, running a DCA strategy automatically, or managing grid trading setups. In those cases, bots remove emotions and ensure consistency, but they are executing a plan, not creating one. What bots cannot do is more important. They cannot predict the market reliably, they cannot replace risk management, and they cannot outperform a bad portfolio structure over time. If the underlying logic is flawed, automation will simply scale the mistake. The limitation is not the tool, it is the strategy behind it. If bots are not the edge, then what is? The edge comes from structure, how you allocate capital, how you manage risk, and how long you stay in the market. Most successful investors rely more on consistency than prediction, and that part cannot be automated easily because it requires judgment, not just execution. Every major crypto trend attracts scams. OpenClaw is no exception. Reports have already highlighted phishing attempts using fake GitHub repositories and fake token airdrops linked to the name OpenClaw. The pattern is always the same: hype first, then exploitation. And users who move too fast without verification become the easiest targets. Even without scams, there is another layer of risk: execution. AI agents interacting with real systems can misclick, misunderstand instructions, or execute unintended actions. In trading, small errors can become expensive quickly. A wrong order, a wrong size, or a bad API setup can create losses that have nothing to do with market direction. The biggest risk is not technical. It is psychological. When people trust automation too much, they stop questioning decisions. They delegate responsibility without understanding the system. And that creates blind spots. Because when something goes wrong, they do not know why it happened or how to fix it. For beginners, OpenClaw is probably not the right entry point. Learning how markets work should come before automating decisions. Otherwise, you risk delegating something you do not understand. And in crypto, that often leads to mistakes that could have been avoided with basic knowledge and simple strategies. For intermediate users, OpenClaw can become a tool, not for prediction, but for execution. Automating simple rules, managing repetitive actions, or testing structured strategies. At that level, the user remains in control. The AI assists, but does not decide everything. And that difference is what keeps risk manageable. For advanced users, OpenClaw becomes more interesting. It can be integrated into complex systems, combining data, automation, and execution layers. But even at that level, it remains a tool inside a broader strategy. Professional setups rely on multiple safeguards, testing environments, and risk controls that go far beyond simple automation. At the end of the day, OpenClaw isn't magic money. It's just a tool, and tools only amplify what is already there. If the strategy is strong, they can help. If the strategy is weak, they will expose it faster. It's not about what the tool can do. It's about what you make it execute. The real danger for all of us is the illusion behind OpenClaw, ChatGPT, or Claude. The idea that AI can replace thinking, that it can trade better than you automatically. That illusion is powerful because it removes effort. But in markets, removing effort often means removing understanding. And without understanding, even the best tools become risky. So the real question is not whether OpenClaw works. The real question is whether you understand what it is doing. Because if you cannot explain the logic behind a system, you are not using it. You are trusting it. And in crypto, losses often start with blind trust in the wrong person, project, or tool. Before thinking about how AI can help you, build a strategy first. Define your allocation, your risk tolerance, your time horizon. Those elements determine your results far more than any automation layer. A bot can execute decisions, but it cannot define your financial objectives or adapt them to your situation over time. Most profitable strategies are not the most complex ones. They are often simple, repeatable, and consistent. For example, long-term accumulation strategies like DCA have historically worked better than constant trading for many investors. Complex systems increase the risk of errors, while simple systems are easier to maintain over full market cycles. Tools like OpenClaw can be useful and powerful, but only in the right context. They should remain optional layers, not the foundation of your approach. Used correctly, they can improve execution. Used incorrectly, they can amplify mistakes. The difference does not come from the tool itself, but from how and why you decide to use it. Every cycle brings new promises, new tools, new narratives, new ways to make money faster. OpenClaw fits into that pattern. But hype often focuses on potential, while reality depends on execution. And the gap between those two is where most investors either learn or lose. Understanding risk is what separates curiosity from discipline. Tools like OpenClaw do not remove risk. They change where it sits, sometimes in execution, sometimes in logic, sometimes in trust. Recognizing those layers is what allows you to stay in control instead of reacting after mistakes happen. The real opportunity in crypto is not automation. It is understanding how markets behave, how risk compounds, how structure creates outcomes. Tools may evolve, narratives will change, but knowledge compounds over time. And that is what allows you to adapt instead of chasing every new promise that appears. So, is OpenClaw worth it? It can be effective as a tool for experienced users who already have a clear strategy. But for most people, it is not a shortcut to profits. Without understanding, it becomes a real risk. With structure, it becomes an edge. If you want to explore the world of crypto, don't chase miracles. Educate yourself, because in this world, a simple click can change a life. But only knowledge can protect your future.